Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Olivier. I'm a certified meditation teacher, and it's been a while. I haven't posted videos, so apologies for that. But I'm back, and I have several videos that are in the making. So I hope you will enjoy them. In today's video, I wanted to share with you two essential questions to keep in mind when you practice mindfulness meditation. So it's two questions. They help us reconnect with the essence of meditation. Sometimes we can feel a little bit lost, not knowing what to do during our practice. So using those two questions, keeping asking those questions again and again and again during your practice will help you simplify your practice and have some clarity. So the first question is, what is happening within me? So when we meditate, things happen and we are not necessarily aware of them. We may be lost in the past, lost in the future. But then when we ask ourselves this question, when we remember this question, it helps us to reconnect with our awareness of what is happening in the present moment. So maybe you are breathing, you recognize your breathing. Well, hopefully you are breathing, but so you can become aware again of your breath. Maybe you become aware of sensations in your body, maybe tensions. Maybe you become aware of feelings and emotions. Maybe they are pleasant, maybe they are unpleasant. Uh, and also you can become aware of the thoughts that you were having. Maybe there are new thoughts. Oftentimes what happens is that we ruminate on thoughts. So the thought that we have are thoughts that we've been having, that we've had over and over and over again. So the first question, what is happening within me, helps us to recognize what is happening, recognize our experience. The second question is, can I be with it? So it is very important because a lot of time when we have difficult emotion and thoughts or unpleasant sensations in the body, our first reaction is to run away from them. So the second question is an invitation to learn how we can be with our experience and find a sense of ease and peace and calm and solidity in the middle of this experience. So maybe we have um, some pain in the body. So our reaction is that we want to escape this sensation. Maybe it's a feeling, same thing, or maybe it's a recurring thoughts about something that triggers some anxiety and fear and anger. So we don't want to be in touch with it. So meditation is really about meeting what is true in our experience. So the second question invites us to can to try to be with it at first, to allow whatever is we are experiencing to be there, and it invites us to breathe with our experience, to take deep breaths, to learn how to relax in the middle of our anxiety, in the middle of our physical pain or worrisome thoughts, and so forth. And in the end, what we train, what we cultivate is a sense of feeling at ease, feeling at peace, feeling stable and solid in the middle of our difficult experience, maybe. And little by little, the experience will diminish in intensity. And that is how we can practice be more at ease in any circumstances, in any situation, or any experiences. It doesn't mean that it is easy. It is far from being easy, and that's why we practice every day, recognizing what is happening within us, learning to breathe with them, learning to be there and it is a challenge, and it is a long lifetime practice. But I think that using these two questions, repeating themselves during your practice, will help you uh, will help you reconnect with what is important in the practice. Um, yeah, I hope that you found this tip helpful. Let me know in the comments below and follow for more. See you soon. Bye.